Yes.
A rejoinder has been filed in item number 7 today. Let's maybe call for that. Oblige.
Bearing vigilance case malad. Similar case diary malad fixed to item fixed tomorrow malad.
Okay.
Item 27, 28. So a huge case diary maybe fixed tomorrow malad.
Tomorrow. Item number
There is item number 13.
13. Tomorrow.
Started 27, 28. Tomorrow, sorry, 27,
Tomorrow.
28.
Any interim?
Interim.
Any interim?
Yes, madam, interim is there.
Interim order. Item number, this is 13, isn't it?
13.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for item number 9 and 10 of daily list, Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying for adjournment for 10 days, Lordship, since SC Cooperation Department, Mr. Firaskwa is in New Delhi with his mother, Lordship.
Okay, now you have taken
Medical-
consent from the petitioner.
Well, Lordship already.
As agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, list this matter
Lordship, 10 days. Only.
after 10 days. Any interim order? No.
It is a lordship. I'm
Yes.
praying for listing of a matter tomorrow, your lordship. Admission. Leading to termination, lordship.
Monday?
Saturday, lordship.
That may not be possible. Monday?
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11. The matter may be fixed on
Yes, PP.
But here, malad NDPS case scan copy has come malad.
Go to it.
Check malad.
When?
my senior is out of
Okay,
state.
tell us when.
23rd of April.
23rd of April.
First 12.
17 and
We have tried to.
don't take your senior's name. It is long back. You tell that 17 and 19. When? 2 weeks.
Four. Supply list, lordship.
Yes.
Infectious.
Learned counsel, Mr.
E. Sharma on behalf of J. Roy.
Okay. The learned counsel, Mr. P.P. Sharma, appearing on behalf of Mr. J. Roy, learned senior counsel, submits that this present writ petition has become infructuous. Accordingly, same stands closed.
Deeply obliged.
Is relating to compassionate appointment. On the last of sheet, they are directed. To take it.
Okay, so suppose you have not been intimated about the decision. Wait for another 12 years. We are giving you liberty. Why should we make all these enquiries, whether served or not?
That is the
Tell us that. You wait for another 10 years.
some delays there.
What some delay? When your father died?
My father died in the year 2012.
2012. We are in 24. When your case was rejected? 16. Now we are in? On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after a week. Case of dismissal with cost. It will close. It has been withdrawn. You are in 24.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, then নাম তো লিখে দিব. Your name
P. Sharma,
P.
Lordship.
Sharma. এই যেটু withdrawal আছিলে petitioner and P. Sharma for the respondent. Okay.
Myself.
Yes. Time being. Why time being? This is motion. Are you issuing a notice? Huh? Issue a notice.
Yes, Lordship. Otherwise,
Anybody appointed?
appointment has been made, Lordship, but here in this case, in the advertisement itself, it is shown
Hmm.
that there is no such specific requirement of sending communication to each and every candidate.
We
And that was
understand.
duly uploaded in the website.
Do we propose to say that we should close this writ petition on Sunday?
No, I'm not on that,
I'm
Lordship.
saying we are issuing a notice, and next question was whether anybody have been appointed.
Yes, appointment has been made.
Yes. Okay. After some time.
As per for the time being, Lordship.
Yes, for us first.
So, my lord, matter
Second time.
my lord,
Second bill application.
second time, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, postmortem report all are there. My lord, the disease went for fishing in one pond. My lord, they
Oh,
serious
that-
caught and badly bitten. Bitten. Anticipated well is difficult, my lord. Anticipated well is difficult. 302, after all, during, my lord,
Lordship, after 1 month of the incident, I had lost one thing. The habitual, Lordship,
Oh, he's a habitual thing. Are you having the authority to
But-
kill a person like
but
this?
it is not that after, immediately after beating in this case, he was
but
some.
as per postmortem report, there are several injuries, knee
Injuries.
broken and all these, my lord.
Because you earlier seen all this. And these people are implicated.
My lord, yes.
And where is the question of anticipate?
Anticipatory bail is difficult. After all, he died, my lord. During,
Yes, what to do today?
Lordship, after some time.
Why?
Lordship, in this case, Ranjit Dottu.
Council will not make any difference in this court.
my lord, then maybe feature two, my lord.
Not
Other-
to, who knows, two will not reach even two. At least next week. Yes, there will be retained.
Right.
It will be listed after, it will be listed in the next week. And additional public prosecutor to retain the case there.
Right.
14, my lord, charge sheet submitted.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Mr. Parasal and additional public prosecutor submits that
Charge sheet
charge sheet has already been filed, being
Case number 12/2024, dated 31/1/24.
accordingly. This bail application stands closed. PNRD, yes.
Learned additional advocate general will appear in this matter, Lordship. We need some time to prepare this case. It's a whole matter, Lordship. Lordship, earlier government counsel used to appear. We had to reconstruct the file. And right
None
now we
appears
are
for the
communicating with the
petitioner
department, Lordship.
on call. Garnet Sunday Council prays that, submits that he may be granted 10 days time as a last chance to file affidavit. Prayer is allowed. Please this matter after 10 days.
Highly obliged.
Yes, Mr. Das.
In this case, my lord, one letter was sent to the secretary, my lord, on 25 July, my lord. Thereafter, development, my lord.
What is the order? Order.
Other page, my lord, it is starts from 11. Last page, my lord, direction. Page 13.
Yes. Who appears for the respondents?
I'm appearing for respondent number 2 on behalf of Mr. S.K. Medhi. As per our last instruction, we did not receive the pension paper from irrigation department.
Notice served?
Notice of matter, this letter matter issued. Was given to me.
We'll see for some time. Let us do one thing. All the standing council.
Yes, my lord.
irrigation.
What time?
Huh? We take after some time. Ready হয়ে গেল ready হয়ে গেল orders complete. Yes.
Wanted to complete today because
Only issue lordship, only today
So
morning,
you want some accommodation?
otherwise case is ready for final
No,
disposal.
no, we will go for final disposal only. But not, we are, in fact, we are thinking of complete the hearing and dictate the order. So therefore, not in piecemeal, or at best recording all argument final portion in the chamber.
that's all.
So when?
Next week lordship, any date.
P. Nayak learned council. And what about,
Lordship, I am appearing for a finance department.
but
Uh,
Hor was,
For our door was appearing.
Rahul door bando.
where is he?
Another course.
He's available. Next week he'll be available.
Lordship, okay.
Okay.
Lordship may take up this matter on 38th lordship.
30.
25.
38, he's proposing 38.
30.
Mr. P. Nayak learned council. Respondent finance department seeks an adjournment to advance his final argument. Prayer is allowed. List this matter on 38th of April 2024.
Actually, after stay was granted, this lady since 20th June continuously going to the office.
We'll see. We'll see.
That's why,
On
my lord,
38th,
I want,
we'll
my
see.
lord. Yes, my lord. I can't say no to my learned friend also, my lord. Yeah, otherwise,
No,
it's not like I know. Yes,
on 38th, we'll see.
my lord, my lord. My lord.
May it please the court, your lordship.
Yes.
In this case, we have received some instructions. But certain aspects are not very clear, your lordship. Still, if your
What
lordship,
is the issue here?
28th of February, your lordship passed a detailed order asking them to file an affidavit. The issue is that, my lord, in the selection process from the post of Anganwadi,
Which order you say? Order written
28th of February, my lord.
28th of February. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, that matter. Now what to do today?
Some instructions, but your lordship will kindly peruse. I don't think even that instruction would be enough, your lordship. Therefore,
I'll not pay. You tell that instruction is
see,
enough, we'll proceed. If not,
one is that your lordship, they have said that they have outsourced and now the documents are difficult to obtain. But there's another issue, your lordship, they have stated somewhere in the middle, your lordship, that why she has been treated as a MOBC, OBC, that is not clear. We can also explain. So that aspect will require certain. That would not be a proper instruction to place before your lordship, your lord.
that cannot be a stand of government. Government
that-
is not, cannot delegate, even if it delegates power to a third party, can they say tomorrow in a writ court? No, our hands, our hands are off.
Lordship, these are two separate issues. That one is because that is outsourced the exam results and all. I think that is what they are talking
Let us
about.
not read this. Moment we read, We may
Which
go
I will-
further.
Lordship. Let me get more.
Instruct your client properly,
Lordship.
how to give instruction to courts.
Lordship.
Lordship passed an order to file an affidavit, my lord.
That's it.
Then they should
This
file an-
court in Likhipo WBC 4, it's called common order. This court under its order dated 28/2/2024 directed allowed the learned state council state council to file affidavits amongst other by specifically disclosing amongst other to disclose when and in what manner the select list was published. The learned council
And
submits
regarding OBC status of respondent number 5, my lord.
and as well as regards the OBC status of the respondent number 5. Full stop. The learned state council submits that though he has received instruction, however, such instructions are incomplete and therefore he may be granted a week's time to complete his instruction and file the affidavit in terms of this court's order dated 28/2/2024. Prayer is allowed, list this matter, give after 2 weeks. Get
Date
it?
may be given, my lord.
So that you complete it.
Lordship.
On, give a date, post me after 2 weeks. Sixth of May.
Lordship, may I take the?
Yes, most of it. These two petitions are together, huh? Yes.
Lordship, the fact of the case is, Lordship, the petitioner, both the petitioners are one Anganwadi worker and one is Lordship, Anganwadi helper, Lordship. They are engaged in the year 2007, Lordship. At Lordship, center number 258, Horinagar Part 3, within bracket Tukergram, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, in the year 2012, Lordship, on verbal instruction of the CDPO, Lordship, both the petitioner of Lordship took additional charge, Lordship, at Revenue Village Tukergram, Lordship, which is, Lordship, 27 kilometers away from the.
Yes, Mr. Sutia, a specific instruction was supposed to be brought
Yes, we have filed affidavit, my lord.
after on paragraph 3, last order.
Last order.
Affidavit recorded,
Yes.
but affidavit is recorded, what is your stand? But court directed Mr. Talukdar Learned State Council press for some time to obtain specific instruction as to whether the claim that petitioners are serving in the original location, namely within so and so is correct or not. That is not in the.
For a time being, my lord, Pasova, my lord, I think she has got something. In our website, she has given something, my lord. We are not downloaded. For a time being, my lord. Oh, no, 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 no.
Yes, Mr. Munir.
Here we have challenged the selection process, my lord. On the ground that the petitioner, out of 50, he was given 52.
My lord, respondent number 4 has filed an affidavit and the director will file affidavit ready. Within 1 week.
Okay, Mr. Sutia, learned senior government, learned additional senior government advocate, appearing on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4 submits that he may be granted a week's time.
Week's time, my lord.
A week's time to file an affidavit on behalf of respondent number 3.
Correct.
Prayer is allowed, list accordingly.
If you date,
Okay, give a date. No, after 3, no, after a week. 2nd of May. Deeply obliged. 7 is adjourned, I think. Okay,
Lordship, Lordship, today I found it suspended. Lordship, otherwise the matter is very much settled in terms of a judgment which fell from your Lordship, wherein the issue was decided with regard to that issuance of NOC, and even after getting NOC, they initiated disciplinary proceedings for not following the proper procedure for applying. Now, in a very similarly situated case which fell for your Lordship, in the case of Ramashak Rural judgment, Lordship,
What happened to that?
Lordship, I'm not appearing in that case, Lordship.
What happened? That attain, it is a,
Finally, tomorrow it is listed because they are saying that they are complying with that judgment. They just seek some time, more time to
yeah,
give
okay.
that particular.
In this court tomorrow listed.
Yes. And in this matter, this is a different matter from
Now,
that.
what to do about this
This
today?
matter may be taken up on Monday because he has filed and rejoinder. Just,
Okay.
he has, sir, copy just me.
Okay, okay,
Right now.
okay, no issue, no issue.
Monday, Lordship.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that
Tuesday,
additional affidavit,
rejoinder.
rejoinder affidavit has been filed by the petitioner. Full stop. Petitioner today. Same is not on record. Registry to take the same with the record and list this matter
Tuesday, Your Lordship.
next Tuesday.
Interim order may continue.
Eighth is also.
Okay, affidavit receive. Okay. File an affidavit, additional affidavit. Full stop. The learned counsel for the Union of India submits that they may be granted some time to go through the rejoinder affidavit. Prayer is allowed. List this matter
Tuesday.
as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties. List this matter on Tuesday.
Interim order may continue.
Interim order pass earlier shall continue till.
Highly obliged.
Eighth is also maybe listed.
Okay,
on
okay.
same day.
8 to একেলগে দিব যে list this matter along with WPC একেলগে দিছে okay common order is
Obliged.
In this case, my lord, GPF and DCRG, my lord, that was, my lord, not given. Otherwise, I am getting regular pension, my lord. Here, my lord, they have started their process.
who will give us the details instruction?
This instruction given by the, my lord, Learned Standing Council, my lord,
Standing Council of
Irrigation Department, my lord.
name shown.
Narayan Upadhyay, N. Upadhyay. In earlier case also, my lord, Narayan Upadhyay's name was there.
Just wait for some time.
Yes, 12:30 he is coming. Yes.
And appears for the petitioner roll call, though the learned standing council is present. However, in the interest of justice matter stands adjourned and be listed after 3 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Matter pertains to the upgradation or
Everybody is in vacation mode or what? Surveillance worker, BTC. Can we proceed?
Lordship, it is under BTC.
That's why.
Hmm.
You will argue half and somebody will come.
Lordship, I will.
25th, okay.
That will be better.
List is
It's
as
coming, Lordship. He is coming then, okay.
Lordship, I am sorry, Lordship. In this case, we no need to file affidavit. Lordship, actually, their names did not send.
why not send?
That not
Hmm?
mentioned in the instruction.
The affidavit is filed so that she knows it, that my name is not shown.
Earlier
That
also
fact itself requires an affidavit. Then you will have to give a reason that for this reason her name is not shown.
not stated by. I have not filed, Lordship. Earlier, we have filed affidavit. That lordship, that's our. 7/03/2018, we have filed affidavit lordship. Jonas Doimari case lordship.
Are they working still now?
Yes.
He is working still.
Still now working as what?
My lord,
As what?
That post to abolish lordship.
So
Who are-
assuming, so if their posts are abolished, they are thrown out or still working? Working against what? And whether that position requires there is a scope for promotion.
Why they have not sent for this lordship?
and on last occasion, my learned friend said that the petitioner was not sent for
Sent.
promotion.
Yes,
But your
21(3) specific order that
action received from my client,
whether the proposal of promotion of grade 4 staff as per gradation list which are placed before the promotion committee and screening committee has been approved or not. That instruction you were supposed to bring, and on 21(3) you have taken time. Now what is your stand today?
Their names were not sent in lordship.
You are saying will not do, madam. You are a representative of those persons. Otherwise, there would not have any requirement of any filing, any affidavit, even any writ petition. She will come and say that my client is having so and so. That's all. No affidavit is required. A piece of paper will be given, that's all. We'll call the person, these people personal appearance.
Why
If they are not inclined to give you instruction to their counsel, then who is the head of this department?
That lordship.
This is pending since 2017.
Double affidavit
We
lordship.
understand, but there is a specific instruction.
Next week lordship.
He's saying 25th.
yes, my lord. And person according to instruction, my client, the person who is near to them, they already, their name have been.
So that's
sent.
why if you
That's why.
file an affidavit that these are the reason these were not
Yes.
promoted, these persons were promoted.
Yes.
At least you will have a say to she can reply to that.
Understood.
But the person has already been
Uh,
selected.
MS RB Bora Learned Standing Council BPC submits that she may be granted a last chance to complete her instruction and file an affidavit in terms of this court's order dated 5/3/2024 and 21/3/2024.
Showing the reason.
Prayer is allowed. List this matter on 25th April. Possible? We do not want a third adjournment.
Then lordship, 30 lordship, 30.
30.
30.
30, 38.
That is.
Yes, Mr. Ali.
My lord, the matter is pending, my lord, before the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord.
What is the issue?
My lord, regarding appointment, access appointment, my lord.
What is the relief sought for here?
Lord,
We are
challenge-
basically
we
trying to to obtain an order cancelling the appointment
Of?
those who are of assistant audit officer lordship.
those
They
who were-
were not there, not
Initially, we were appointed, my lord, we have been terminated.
Okay.
Then we challenged the appointment, my lord, the other person who, my lord, who were also appointed, my lord, to the excess number of posts made in the advertisement.
Then
This small court, my lord, a matter went to the, my lord,
no, you-
division bench.
you-
Division bench, my lord, directed to release them.
Okay.
Against them, my lord, they have preferred an appeal before the Supreme Court.
So they are continuing.
Lordship.
So according to you, you are similarly situated with those excess appointees.
Lordship.
You are also excess, they are also excess.
Lordship.
Now some excess are being allowed to continue.
And we have been terminated.
Terminated. Mr. Ali submits that the subject matter of dispute is pending consideration
For the Honorable Supreme Court.
before the Honorable Supreme Court in.
Lord, I have,
Number is there in the last order.
last order we have given, my lord.
In civil appeal number 11394/2016. 16. So accordingly, a prayer for adjournment is made. Prayer says announced registry to list this matter after disposal of aforesaid appeal. Yes. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. My Lord, is also regarding compassionate appointment, my lord. My lord,
Forget about them.
but,
You will hear them if moment is for the reason that we will pass an order when we pass an order against them. When you dismiss a petition, you need not hear there,
my lord.
isn't it?
Yes.
But is they have taken a stand that your husband completed the service. So question of compassionate appointment is not there. Now you say, okay, question of compassionate appointment is not there, but I was working as messenger 6/2007. And therefore, there is a selection process for messenger.
Well.
My case shall also be considered. Now, other side says that this is the petition is not structured in that way. Structured as a compassionate appointment. Government had taken a stand that no, her husband was medical, he had some medical problem, but he has completed his service. Where is the question of compassionate?
Regarding that point, my lord, completing the service. Service is not complete, my lord. The husband of the petitioner served only 24 years. His service tenure is 26 years. And it is, my lord, that is also not clear in the medical report, medical certificate and medical proceeding. It is.
Who is representing Union of India?
Regarding, my lord, completing of service, my lord, I am just relaying one thing, my lord, that is page 40, my lord. Page 40, my lord, the ex-Havildar.
Your husband retired from service in due course on attaining the age of superannuation on 31st of October 2003. This determination is not under challenge. So they say your husband had suffered from a medical condition and was not medically boarded out of service and had retired from service in due course on attaining the age of superannuation on 31st of October 2003. Compassionate appointment matter ends there. Until and unless you challenge this or you say that this is bad. None appears for the Union of India. Accordingly. First and second. Yes, next case.
Date me, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Gupta.
On legs.
What to do? Dismiss. Or you will consider his case, her case for messenger.
You know, under this scheme, already considered, my lord. May take some time.
Okay, next week. Next week. You bread next week. Let him also bread for till the next week.
Yes, my lord, a date may be just, my lord.
Give a date. On as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, list this matter.
Obliged.
Sorry, Lordship, I
Yes.
was not the first call. Petitioner who is a
We
diploma holder in
thought we will issue a notice. Heard MSB Chaudhuri, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Swenso, learned, you are standing counsel?
Yes, Lord.
Standing counsel for National Institute of Technology. Any Union of India? The present writ petition is filed assailing the assailing the action of the respondents, more particularly of the respondent number 2 and 3, in conducting the recruitment test for the post of technician at National Institute of Technology, Silchar, being violative, not being transparent, resulting in violation of the rights of the petitioner guaranteed under Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution. Issue notice returnable after 4 weeks. Swenso accepts P. Chaudhuri, yes,
Extra
Chaudhuri,
copy.
accepts notice on behalf of respondent number
2 and 3.
2 and 3. For notice to be served upon respondent number 1 through the office of the learned ASG. Full stop. Steps be taken within a period of 5 days. Extra, no, as parties are duly represented, no formal notice need be issued. However, extra copies be furnished to the learned counsel. Date, give a date after 4 weeks. Give a date after 4 weeks. 28th of May. File an affidavit. Bring the record, we'll see. Not find anybody
Just told me he will come at 12:30.
at
12:30.
12:30. Our list is over. We'll fix it next week.
Yes, ma'am.
As agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, list this matter next week. Board cases.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and item number 5, na? Your item is
26.
26 and 16.
16.
Separate order.
26, last time the finance department asked for instruction.
26. I know Nayak was here.
He was here, madam.
Huh?
He is here, madam.
Nayak is here, sir. Everybody is in vacation mode or what? Huh?
They are pinning there.
So work will start from the next week, seems. Okay, election is. Okay, on both these cases, we'll fixing it next week. Give a date.
Okay, all right.
26.
Nayak is here. Give the 26.
On last date, one letter was placed from the AG office. Lordship. A treasury instruction was issued to release the necessary payment, Lordship.
Okay.
At that point of time, finance was not a party. Honorable Court directed me to obtain instruction, reflecting my name in the cause list, Lord.
No.
Today also my name is not.
Okay,
appearing.
give the
That
file.
will be the issue.
Give the file.
Lordship, I take up this matter on 25th, Lordship. I will definitely place the instruction.
Give the file. Item number 26. Hereditary here, na? This is item 16. 16 next week, 25th.
25th.
Okay. this court under its order dated 1/4/2024 requested Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Standing Counsel, to obtain certain instruction, and a further direction was issued to reflect the name of
SC Finance Lord.
STS, comma, there is a mistake. It is written as SC Health. Therefore, okay. As his name was not shown, he is not, it is just submitted, he could not, okay. Registry to list this matter on 25th, reflecting name of Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Standing Counsel for Finance Department in the cause list. In the meantime, Nayak may obtain the instruction in terms of this court's order dated 1/4/2024.
Obliged.
On 25th. And do it.
By your lordship, we have received this instruction. Otherwise, also we have filed the affidavit. In the affidavit, we have mentioned that disciplinary proceedings are going on. So
Against whom?
against both the petitioners. Now we have to find out what is the outcome of the disciplinary proceeding, because we have filed out on 25/1/2023. So after that, we are not in receipt of any, because this particular instruction doesn't say anything with regards to the disciplinary proceeding initiated against them.
No, last order it says,
Whether lordship, the Anganwadi center is nearby the school lordship, which is 1617 number Dakin Harinagar LP school. Lordship, which is lordship, I have annexed at page 53 lordship, an additional affidavit.
petitioner
As per instruction at paragraph number 3. Name of Anganwadi center number 258 is Harinagar part 3, Tukergram. And as per records, the Anganwadi center
no,
number
your specific query was at paragraph 3.
Three.
Where is that answer?
the name of the Anganwadi center, and as per records, the Anganwadi number 258.
Where do you get that?
Paragraph number 3.
No, paragraph number 3 of the last order, we have read it.
No, instructions, Your Lordship.
The instruction, paragraph 3, okay. Well, I have got not, I have not understood anything.
Actually, what they're trying to do, the petitioners, they're trying to, by themselves, they're trying to shift the center from that particular place to somewhere nearby their home. That's why they stopped coming to they started functioning from their own center.
Okay.
And that's why the department, they stopped paying the honorarium, because they did not come to the
Actual center,
designated
to where
center.
they were appointed.
Yes, and that's why their disciplinary proceedings were started against them.
Okay.
And that is continuing as per the affidavit. So right now, whether they are still in service or whether they are under suspension, what is the outcome of the disciplinary proceeding, that has to be.
You file an affidavit to that
Yes, Your
effect.
Lordship.
The Bora Learned Counsel for the representing the state submits that he had obtained certain instruction in terms of this court's order dated 5/4/2024 and would like to file an rejoinder affidavit. Being on record the detailed facts as regards the present status of appointment/service of the petitioner. Okay.
Outcome of the
In as
disciplinary
much as it is the case of the respondent that the respondent that already a departmental proceeding has been initiated against the petitioner for not attending the duties in the center assigned to them and for shifting the center near their place of residence on their own. Okay. No, that is it is his submission.
Lordship.
Let them file an affidavit so that you can respond.
Lordship, one thing, may I, Lordship, for your funding. Lordship, last occasion, Lordship, the Honorable Court asked the opposite party counsel, Lordship, whether the center is, Lordship.
That's why paragraph 3, isn't it? Paragraph 3 of the earlier order. May I read it for you? So therefore, that's why we say that in terms of the paragraph 3 of the earlier order. So they will have to file an affidavit to that extent. Keep this. 20.
20, ma'am. So 2015 is in Lexington court number.
I have a little bit doubt whether I can take up this matter. I remember I represented this man in some service matters. This is a sub-register.
He retired as a sub-register.
Retired as a sub-register. Maybe. Just I have not been able to recall. So that's why we have adjourned it.
Well,
Huh? When? Any day?
Can it be on 2nd of May, Miller?
Don't say the resolution. 2nd of May.
Grateful, Miller.
না একটু করুন second of it.
In item number 15, your lordship. Recorded, your lordship, for the
Okay, why this matter was listed today?
last occasion. I have took 3 weeks time to
Okay,
file that.
your name please?
R.M. Mazumdar on behalf of D. Hussain, your lordship.
R.N. Mozumdar. Okay, huh?
A date may be fixed, your lordship, after 10 days, your
No, orders or 10 days, give a date after 10 days. Third of May.
lordship.
Everyone?